This video details how our courses integrate 50 years of learning science, providing a visual mapping of the research-validated models and instructional design embedded within our curriculum from 1970 to the present. Our instruction is engineered through multiple research-validated models derived from 50 years of learning science. These include structured inquiry, cognitive clarity, and equitable access, forming the foundation of our daily instruction. We follow a continuous evolution of our pedagogical lineage. This journey spans from the new sociology of education in the 1970s, through behaviorism, constructivism, and standards-based reform, up to modern AI-supported instructional models. The foundation is set with sociological context and behavioral mastery. New sociology of education helps us understand how schooling shapes opportunity and identity. Behaviorism and mastery learning ensure clear objectives and structured practice. We emphasize shifting to student-centered inquiry and constructed knowledge. Constructivism, where learners build knowledge through experience, is integrated with project-based learning, driving our science units via 10-day phenomena-driven inquiry cycles. We design backward to guarantee aligned learning outcomes using understanding by design, planning from outcomes to assessments and experiences. Standards-based instruction moves us toward transparent expectations, relying on clear learning goals and rubrics. Access is expanded through inclusive and culturally relevant design. Culturally relevant pedagogy affirms identity, while universal design for learning ensures multiple means of engagement, representation, and expression. We optimize memory and metacognition with cognitive science and AI. This includes metacognition, where students monitor their own learning, and retrieval practice, strengthening memory. AI-supported instruction accelerates feedback loops and personalizes learning. Research-based models are systematically interlaced across all disciplines, as shown in this diagnostic matrix. No single course relies on just one pedagogy. Instead, models like inquiry, PBL, mastery, and equity are integrated across subjects like ELA, HSS, math, and science. The Anatomy of Science 9A is driven by phenomena and inquiry. The 5E inquiry cycles structure the unit. Modeling allows students to construct visible knowledge, and CER structures the academic output, all supported by UDL and performance tasks. The anatomy of ELA 9 is grounded in cultural relevance and discourse. Text-based inquiry forms the core, culturally relevant texts engage identity, and discourse routines build shared understanding. Standards-aligned writing tasks measure growth. Math 9A focuses on cementing foundational skills through retrieval. Retrieval practice secures concepts in long-term memory. Mastery learning guarantees foundational skills before advancing, and problem-based tasks apply skills to real-world scenarios. The Anatomy of HSS 10 explores global perspectives via source analysis. Global perspectives ensure broad cultural relevance, source analysis builds critical thinking, and project-based learning drives deep exploration of historical themes. 50 years of research converges on a single, holistic learner. Cognitive science, understanding by design, culturally relevant pedagogy, and PBL culminate in an equity-centered, cognitively optimized student experience. Learning science does not exist in silos. Our instructional design is intentionally architected. It is rooted in 50 years of evidence, features systematic integration of pedagogies across disciplines, and operates with a dual mandate for cognitive clarity and equitable, inclusive access.